it's a real honour. And how is Aaron Raskin though? How's Aaron Raskin? Man, tell you what, I feel so much better about myself after listening to Aaron. I'm like standing backstage and he's just like, right, you've just got to breathe. None of you guys are breathing. And I'm standing there pacing myself because this is like my first time on stage. So I'm not breathing at all. I'm going. So he was a perfect person to go before me. But anyway, my name's Nathan Buchan. I'm 24 years old. I come all the way from New Zealand. How many Kiwis have we got in the house? Yeah! And can we, so I've got to tell our guys and say, what's up? I've got to say hello to the guys that are watching the live stream because some people couldn't make it, but next time you've got to put the intention out there and really get yourself here. Now, can we turn on the slides, guys? Cool, all right, so my name's Nathan Buchan. I'm 24 years old and I am a plumber by trade. I now travel the world full time. I'm actually an ex-plumber. Because I travel the world full time. I've been on the road for over a year now, probably about a year and 3 months, 4 months. Been living out of my backpack and using Empower Network to make an income while I travel around the world. So what I want to think about, what I want you guys to think about today when I start when I'm speaking, when I'm sharing everything with you, is, you know, the thought that you had when you were a kid. Because a lot of us, you know, when we were young and we're in, say, primary school, we had passions, we had things we loved and things we'd done every day. For me, it was surfing. I really love surfing. I grew up in a small, yeah, surfers, yeah! Shaka bra? All right. Sorry guys, I get really excited and I tend to talk really fast when I get excited and I start to, you know, talk like this. So if you can't understand me, I'll try and talk nice and clear so you guys can all understand me if I have an accent to you. But I want you to think about when I talk today, you know, what do you want to be when you grow up? Because a lot of us when we're younger, you know, we have these passions and we do things we love every single day and it comes naturally to us. And for me that was surfing. You know, I surfed before school, after school. I love the feel. All I thought about when I was sitting in the classroom at school, I was surfing. Sorry. I dropped out of school when I was 15 years old. I really didn't like it. I wasn't one to be able to focus. Like I just hated being told what to do and sitting in the class. It wasn't me from a very young age. So at 15 I left. And what is a male at 15 years old that doesn't like to read and write? What does he do? He gets a trade, right? Now my father was a plumber, my uncle was a plumber. Well, my other uncle was a plumber, so what trade do you think I should choose? Plumbing, right? Now, it's funny because I hear a lot of people talk about internet marketing and they say it's hard. And, you know, I can understand that because there's times when you feel like you come stuck and things can get confusing, but it doesn't have to be hard. Now, I mean, how would you like to wake up every morning and not have an alarm clock, not have an agenda, wake up and think about, you know, what am I going to do today? Wonder what this town has to offer that I can go and explore. You see, right now, I'm fortunate enough to just spend my life traveling and sharing what I love doing. The more fun I have, the more money I make. It's crazy. The more I travel, the more I follow my passions, the more money I make. And I don't really try very hard. I have fun. So in turn, by me having fun and being invited to speak up here, it will make me more money, and it's crazy. And all I'm doing is having fun and sharing about how much fun I have, like talking to you guys, you know what I mean? And so I really want you to think while I'm talking, what do you want to be when you grow up? And, okay, so my father was a plumber, and that's what I did. I followed in his footsteps, and I got my plumbing apprenticeship. I've done that for 5 years, and it's funny, like I'm saying here, that, you know, people tell me this internet marketing's hard, I can't make it work, I can't do all that. Well, I want to get a call from my boss, you know, when we're driving in the work van, after digging trenches, right, to lay drain pipes all day, and we're driving home with one of my workmates. It's like, oh, I've just got to quickly do a job on the way home, no problem. Hop out of the van, he goes, can you lift the lid off the manhole? Yep, no worries. Now manholes are about this deep, this one, and they got pumps, and they pump the sewage out. So get straight, pull it off, and the thing is full, like this far from the rim, with full to the top.